After a long time of use, it's common for the rubber grip on the handle of a plier to come loose. When something like this happens, it's important to fix the issue as quickly as possible, because the pliers won't be very effective if you cannot use them properly since there's no handle. Other than making your grip worse, this is also very dangerous because the exposed metal can make you prone to being electrocuted while working with wires or other things. That is why today's video is all about what you can do to fix loose handles on a plier, as well as other tools with similar handle grips. First of all, you are going to need to completely take off the rubber handles on your pliers so that the metal grips are completely exposed. This is so that you can use a cloth to properly clean the tool from top to bottom. Then, use some sandpaper to get rid of rust and other stains on the tool, as these can ruin its lifespan. Get a tube of liquid glue and apply it on the handles like we are doing here. Do it on all four sides so that it is as sticky and effective as possible. Make sure that you cover top to bottom too. The reason why you need so much glue is so that the handles stick as well as they can. The next step is to add the glue to each of your pliers handles, like we are doing. Then, you can forcefully adjust the rubber grip back onto each of the handles and hold it in place there for a few moments. Now that we are all done, we are going to let these pliers sit for a while so they can dry, before showing you just how effective this method is. Now that the pliers are dry, we can show you just how good this method is at fixing handle grips that are coming loose. You can see how we keep pulling and tugging on the handles, but they still will not come off at all. No matter how much work you do with these pliers, you can rest assured that the grip will not be coming off for a very long time. You can use this easy method to fix pliers or any similar type of handles on other tools. We hope that you liked this video and that you check out our channel for other similar content like this.